Hey, Brian from GarageMahal. I have an amazing product for you to check out, so let's go. Alright, so I got this work mat, and it is basically, it's not quite 18 inches long. It's pretty close. Exact is probably 17 and a half. And then on this side, you're looking at almost a foot, just shy of a foot. So it's double-sided. So it has a bunch of stuff on the back, and you know, it's pretty good. So if you cut into it, you can barely see where I just made a mark. Cut through there a little bit so you can kind of see it. So you run over it with your finger, it kind of fades away. And two-sided, so you got a bunch of different things. And obviously I was using it to cover up some dirt and oil on my work desk, and yeah, pretty awesome. And that's my hand size for reference, so definitely pretty neat. Anyway, Brian from GarageMahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.